Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned from Tinder. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Submit a Report on Tinder. Then hit enter. Now wait for the website to finish loading. And then in here tap on www.help.tinder.com or submit a request-tinder. Once on the website on how can we help with, go to can't submit or can't log in. And then in here, you're going to input the following details. First, can't log in, my account was banned on the first rectangle. Now you have to input your email address that is connected with your Tinder account. Then also input your phone number. Now, over at the description bar, you are going to type here, what is your issue with Tinder application? Go ahead, take your time in typing, or you can wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm writing here on the description box. Once done, tap on submit. Then wait for Tinder to contact you over your email. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.